Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms reinforced.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Apples with another video for you guys. So check it out. We made it. You guys saw traffic was freaking horrible this morning. Took me about an hour, 15, hour 20 to get over here to the shop. Hopefully that will be changing soon. Which obviously I haven't announced anything like that yet, but you're crossing our fingers. Don't want to say too much yet. But we stopped by. Gotta grab my mask. We're in California and they require masks. But we stopped by over here at the local donut shop. We're gonna pick up some donuts because today is a big day for one of our co-workers, Natalie. It is her birthday, so we're gonna pick up some donuts real quick, as she always takes care of us. So we're gonna head over there. Hi, can I get a dozen donuts? So got our donuts. As you guys can see, they're huge Dodger fans here. If you guys didn't see that game last night, man, that was a hell of a game. Woo, excited for our Dodgers. So, got our donuts here. Gonna head over to the shop. I'm gonna surprise Natalie. I would get some balloons. Let me take this damn mask off. Oh my god. All right, that's better. We can get some balloons and stuff like that, but unfortunately, I can't use my debit card right now. Yeah, that sucks. I hate this part. Now we're gonna be on our way to the shop. We're gonna meet up Vic there. Hopefully, he's there. Because let me see, I'm actually a few minutes late because I stopped to grab these donuts, but we'll see if he's there. $5 says he's not. Alright, we're just pulling up. Ah, dang it. I mean, it's a good thing, but dang it, he's here. ¡Viva los Dodgers! I went and saw your friends.
What, the chiquita?
Yeah. Dude, hey, they're all decked out in their Dodger gear.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Natalie's birthday today. We got you some donuts.
Yay! Thank you!
I know. I was like, I know you always bring us donuts, so. So we're gonna announce it to YouTube. Happy birthday, 21. Amazing, amazing year, huh?
Yeah.
Natalie looked pretty surprised. That's cool. Natalie's been with us for years, and if you guys don't know, her dad used to be one of our main programmers here as well. And well, unfortunately, he passed away a while back, and ever since then, we just gotta, make sure we really take care of Natalie. She's been good to us. We gotta be good to her. She's a good worker. And well, happy birthday, Natalie. And an update on Tony the Tiger. What's up, Tony? What's up, buddy? Oh man, your eyes look better. Hey, don't touch me though, man. I'm not a cat fan. Look at you, man. You're growing. Maybe the ad on Craigslist, it wasn't wrong.
What was that?
Maybe the ad on Craigslist wasn't wrong. Look at that, he's becoming a tiger, man.
Yeah, look at him. You can be the Tiger King.
We're gonna call you the Tiger King. What's up, buddy? What's up? Hi. So Charlie's still been taking care of him every day. He got his water. Man, this cat eats better than me though, for reals. He has like, I don't know, fancy feast. He has like the fancy cat food and stuff. What's up, buddy? He's actually getting pretty good with the noise back here too. He hasn't really been jumping too much, and I don't know, he is gonna go blind though. He's watching us weld the other day. You guys know anyone that makes little miniature welding helmets for cats? Let us know. Tony needs one. I don't want him to go blind. Sorry, bad enough he was kind of cross-eyed when he was born, but what you got there?
Donut. Even Tony's having it.
Are you celebrating Natalie's birthday?
Look at him.
Hey, Tony. Hey, man, you can't talk so much on the channel, alright? People get annoyed with me when they say I talk too much and I don't show content. So we're just gonna put you on here for about another 25 seconds. Let's see how many people complain. Nah, I'm just kidding. Fuck them. As you can see here, starting to get a little bit of rub in here because I did space these out a little bit. When I say a little bit, I went out 3 inches, so 6 inches total. And I just wanted to give it a little more aggressive stance, but well, now I'm paying for it. And while it does have an aggressive stance now, it is poking out past the fender wells. It just looks a lot better. It's a lot more stable, but the problem is now I just can't do a U-turn. So of course, you know, you can't do one thing without another thing, and it's kind of snowballed into this. So I ordered up a set of torsion keys, which I got right here. Let me grab these guys real quick. And this is claimed to be a 1 to 3 inch adjustment or lift. And well, I'm hoping this solves my issue because I actually don't know if the original owner did torsion keys in there. So I'm hoping it was just full, you know, dropped of the cage, which when I measured it measured out 6 inches. So I'm hoping it's just that. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna pull this guy in right now and get going on it.
There he goes with one backup light only.
So as you guys can see here, I'm having a little bit of carnage now just because I spaced these guys out. Now again, it does look good, but the thing is, it's not practical right now because this is my daily driver, it is a work truck, using it to load stuff in and carry material, haul stuff around. But I can't do a U-turn now. So it's kind of pointless to have a truck that can't do a U-turn. It's pretty embarrassing when it rubs like crazy. So hopefully this does the trick. Gotta get this guy mounted back up. It pulled it out of the clip. So first things first, we're gonna get it starting by getting it all jacked up. We're gonna hang the suspension, let it hang freely, and we're gonna attempt to do this without a actual torsion bar preloader or, you know, torsion bar or torsion key tool. And for those of you guys that haven't seen, there is actual torsion bar key preloader tool or whatever they call it. We don't have one because honestly we don't do lift kits and stuff like that, but it's pretty much a C-clamp with a ball that fits inside of there, which this does. And I have this set up with the impact, so we're hoping that we have enough clearance to get this under there and use this to push up to preload it to remove the pin. I'm gonna start off, get the e-brake on, don't mind the dirty interior. Then we got a chock in the back to keep it from rolling. Obviously safety's gonna be first. We're using 2 jacks to lift this up evenly, and then we're gonna get some jacks under there to support it. Once the torsion bars come out, there's technically not gonna be any suspension holding it. So gotta make sure that that's all being held up properly. Alright, so tires are slightly off the ground. We don't need to come up too far. Luckily with the 6-inch lift and 35s, or 315s I should say, we should be able to get this, and this should all clear, hopefully. And we're just going to be using a few things. Just checked it out. It is an 18 millimeter on the actual main screw, and I'll go down there and show you guys. So this is going to be the torsion key right here. This is going to be your pin that's going to hold it. That guy is an 18, so that's the one that fits the most snugly down there. So we're going to be removing this guy, removing this out, and then we're going to use that tensioner to push this up to get it held in position in order to pull this pin. There you guys go. Well, as you can tell, these are going to be stock keys then, because as soon as I pull that pin, you can hear the actual main pin holding the torsion bars, and The torsion bar is already loose, so that's a good sign. Hopefully this does, and hopefully these are stock keys, because it seems like it, being that there's no more tension on them just by jacking it up. So that should be a good thing. Move to the next one. So as you can tell, that one took a little bit more because it's a little rusty. Same thing, that side's already loosened up, so we're just gonna get the preloader or our fancy C-clamp, and we're gonna get this guy clamped up here. I'm just gonna get it started, and I'll come in with the impact. All right, so we lucked out. Being that they were so loose, I didn't even have to use the C-clamp here. I didn't have to use it. I just was able to push up against it and pull out the pins that go right here. We will have to use it to put them back in though, but for right now, you gotta take this torsion bar out. Easiest way I know to do it is push this way, hammer this way, and it should come right out. There you go. And we're gonna repeat that for the other side. So here's the stock key. You can tell the rusty one. This is the 1 to 3 inch difference. They look the same here, but if you kind of focus in right here, you notice that the hex, when you line them up, there's a difference of this drop on the actual selector pin or the adjustment screw. So that's what gives you the difference of the 1 to 3 inch lift. That's it. All right, with both keys in now, we're going to use the C-clamp just to get them pressed up. And there we go, just got a little tension on it. Hopefully, gotta use a shorter one. Impact with a little shorty extension, but as you can see, still can't get it. And well, we're gonna leave the extension in there. I'm just gonna put a ratchet wrench on here. Oh, going the wrong way. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of manual work. Well guys, the leveling keys are finally done on this thing. I know we kind of cut the video short on it. Well, we were having a lot of issues. So pretty much our biggest issue here was the 1 to 3 inch leveling keys that we put onto the bottom of this truck. No clamp was doing it. No pre-tensioner, no C-clamp, nothing would do it. I actually broke 2 clamps in the process. And it was nearly impossible to get this thing on. We ended up using a 20-ton air press jack with a little nipple sleeve on the bottom just to press up against the key down here. Yeah, so things got a little frustrating. We kind of stopped the video here. Yeah, but the good thing, it's all on. It's better. And obviously the clearance is a lot better in the front. We did lift it. I didn't do the full 3 inches. I ended up doing only about 1.25 inches just to get more clearance as far as turning for the front tires. And it's definitely a big difference as far as lift here. Still working on getting the extra fogs hooked up here. We did get the Baja kit style fender washers on. But just a little update on this truck. Again, I was trying to do step by step, but things got so frustrating. Actually, a 20-minute job ended up turning into almost like, I don't know, 3.5 hours because we could not get it. We ended up going over to PDR to try to borrow some pre-tensioning tools. The ones that they had, it just looked like I was going to break them, and I knew I was going to. So we opted not to use those. So that whole, yeah, step by step, it kicked our ass. It really did. So like I said, we ended up using a 20-ton press jack, put it underneath there, and Vic was the one who came up with that idea. We try different things. We try to make clamps. We try to do fine thread. We try to do coarse thread clamps. Nothing was budging to get that up, and we just needed an 1/8 inch more. The whole truck ended up getting pressed up in order and like literally lifted off the jacks and jack stands, and we had our hands in Harbor Freight. We had our faith in Harbor Freight, and well, it paid off. It did. Definitely worked. It kicked our asses, but we got it in. So now that we are all frustrated and done, luckily it's done. Man, let me tell you guys, that was a mission, but I'm glad it's done. I did take it for a test drive right now. It was good. I have clearance on a full crank and driveway. It has a little bit of rub, but I didn't want to sacrifice the ride completely by going the full 3 inches and stretching everything. So we just did it at, technically it's sitting at right around 7.25 inch lift. So yeah, it's working so far. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna get some more content in for you guys. We've just been really busy with production and stuff, so things have been repetitive. So I haven't been filming the repetitive stuff. So we also got some big news coming up as long as everything goes through, which today hopefully is the day for it to happen. Once that is officially done, then we'll be letting you guys know. Right now I don't want to talk too much about it because I don't want to jinx it, so we'll see, guys. But again, thank you guys for always watching. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys head on to www.hoppersonline.com where you can get all your hydraulic and air suspension needs. On there you can click buy. We ship it straight to your door, and you guys get it quick. So thank you guys always. You guys have a good one. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm out.